YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and build of one of these bamboo shoe shelves from Honey Can Do. Here is the model number. And here's the one that we've already built. We were very happy with it. It feels really sturdy. A lot better than those crappy ones that just have the two poles and the shoes keep falling through it. Don't get one of those. We learned from that mistake. And we are using our handy dandy DeWalt drill for this process. I have an impact drill as well, but I like this one because I can set the force right here. I don't know what you would call it, but so on a drill, I don't know if you've ever noticed it, but there's a little dial on most of them to do how tight you're going to do it so you don't split the wood. I don't know what the word is for it, but if you hold it, see how it doesn't go any tighter than that? So if I crank this all the way up, it'll spin my hand and not stop. Yeah, so make sure you have this on a low setting so you don't accidentally split the wood. These uprights, this one side has indents for the screw heads, the other side doesn't. Make sure you're putting it on the right way. Pretty self-explanatory. And then what we're doing is getting them all started and assembly lining it. Get them all finger started. Do not use the drill at this point or you will crack it like everyone on Amazon. Pinch it together when you're screwing it. You got it.
We assembled 3 in what, 15 minutes?
We're probably getting pretty fast at this considering this is our 4th one total and 3rd one today. These things, we really like them. We have ours in a downward sloping configuration. There are 2, so there's the assembly that we're doing with it facing down, and then there's the other, or actually flat. No, I don't like that one. Alright, and we're going to lift this one on top of here just to show you as I hold the camera. And it just sits in these little holes. Bam! My camera does not have a wide angle, but you can see. If you wanted to make this more stable, you could use a zip tie or Velcro straps. Because I wouldn't glue these, and these are not super in there, like they don't have a friction fit, but they're in there enough for gravity to hold them. So yeah, we'll probably zip tie these or something. Anyway, thanks for watching.